Hi everyone, I am Fawad, and in this video I'm going to tell you about x radical or square root. So let's start. Guys, you know that 7 to the power of 2 or 7 to the second power is equals to 49 because 7 to the second power is means 7 times 7. 7 times 7, which I can write as 7 to the power of 2 equals 49. My dear students, actually here this number we call it the square root of 49. I'll repeat, 7 is the square root of 49. What does it mean? It means that if you finish this power 2, if you finish it, this number which comes, it is called square root. Now guys, square root, we also call it radical. Okay? So guys, if we want to find the radical or if we want to find square root, it means we are going to find the same thing. So guys, the radical, if you want to find, so there is, in mathematics we have a radical symbol, and that is this one. This is the radical symbol. I want to show you here. This is a radical symbol, and what is coming inside, like for example I'm going to put 49 inside because you want to find out the square root of the radical of 49. So I will put it in the radical symbol, and this number, whatever the number, I just particularly write 49, but if I just generalize it, so I will write, let's say I will write x. So x is any number whose square root you want to find out. So what you will do, the number whose square root you want to find out, you have to put it in the radical symbol. Okay guys, so this number will call as radicand because it is coming inside the radical symbol. And guys, this complete thing is called radical or square root. I hope you understand. Radical or square root is the same thing. If you want to find radical, you will use the radical symbol, and whatever the number whose square root you want to find out, so you will put inside the radical symbol, and that number is called radicand. And guys, this, I told you, this single number will call the radical, that is the square root. So guys, now I have for the application, for the more understanding of this radical, I took two questions as an example. This is a radical of 64. It means we are going to simplify this radical, we are going to simplify this root. So if you want to simplify, so you have to think what two same numbers you multiply, you get 64. So guys, on in the table of timetables of 8, you know that 8 times 8 is 64. So you can easily write 8 times 8. Okay, now you can ask, or you can think that why we are thinking about two same numbers. Why? Because this radical symbol, actually its value is 1 over 2, and as it is coming on the whole of over this number, so you write as 8 times 8, you can write as 8 power 2, and this radical, for your more understanding, I can write as 1 over 2. As I told you, the radical sign, its value is 1 over 2, and it is coming as a over the number, over the value. So what will happen now guys, this is the power, this is the whole power, so both parts will multiply for simplification. Okay guys, this and this always multiply. So 2 times 1 over 2, guys, this and this cancel, and it will come 8 power 1, or you can just write 8. So guys, 8 is the radical of 64, or 8 is the square root of 64. I'm done with this part. Let's go with the part number 2. Okay, guys, in the part number 2, I have a fraction actually. And in the numerator I have 81, in the denominator I have 121. So what you have to do, you have to find the two same numbers to whom you multiply, you get 81, and the two same numbers to whom you multiply, you get 121. So if your timetables are good, you can directly answer. And guys, one more thing, I'll tell you that this square root, this radical symbol, you can distribute among the numerator and denominator too. I'll show you how. 81 I can write as 9 times 9, and 121 is 11 times 11. So guys, this is now coming 9 square, and this is coming 11 square. So for your better understanding, I am going to shift the radical symbol into its value, that is 1 over 2, so that you completely understand what radical mean. So guys, now I can distribute the power to each place. So 9 power 2 whole power 1 over 2, and 11 power 2 whole power 1 over 2. So guys, this power and this power will multiply. I told you that this 1 over 2 as a whole over 9 power 2, so they will multiply. So 2 times 1 over 2, and 11 2 times 1 over 2. 2 and 2 will cancel because here is the in the denominator is 1. So whenever you are going to multiply the two fractions, like 2 times 1 over 2, if you are going to multiply the two fractions, because this is, you can put the 1 in the denominator, it is understood it is 1. So 2 and 2 in the because it is in the numerator and the denominator, you can cancel them. So your answer will come 9, and here 2 and 2 cancel, the answer will come 11. So guys, 9 over 11 is actually the square root of 81 over 121. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box. Like this video, share it, subscribe my channel. Have a good day, and see you again with a new video. Bye bye.